Well, there's our problem. This carb is completely gummed up from sitting in the barn for years. Today, we're going to clean it out and see if this old Honda will finally run the way it should. Welcome back. So last time, we pulled this Honda off a compressor, brought it back to life, but unfortunately, it wouldn't start on its own. We had to give it fuel, which means the carb's not passing fuel. So let's see if there's anything in the bowl. Looks like there is. It's leaking some really old fuel, maybe oil. I'm not quite sure what it is. Yeah, a little bit. Ooh. Yuck. Ooh, yeah, there's a lot of sludge. We need to get this cleaned properly. We'll put it in the ultrasonic and see what happens. You can put all your small, fragile parts in here. And then when you seal it up, you don't have to go looking for them afterwards. Here's another look at this disgusting carb. So put that in there. The main bowl. All right, so we'll pull the 4 bolts off and pull the head and see what we've got. Now we can pull the head. Carb's looking really good. From where it started, the main bowl might as well be brand new. That looks amazing. And our emulsion tube, needle valve, and jets are all good to go. All right, so I'm here with Duke now, and we're going to rebuild the carb. So the first thing we're going to do is put the main jet in the emulsion tube. So the emulsion tube goes inside the hole, and the main jet follows. I'm just going to grab a screwdriver. This one's a little bit special, Duke, because it's really wide here at the top. So it fits down there and gets the emulsion tube. And then we just tighten this in. See what I'm doing?
Yep.
Awesome. And you got to be careful with brass. Do you know why?
Why?
Because brass is a really soft metal, and if you tighten it too far and you strip it, like break it, you won't be able to ever get it out again. So you see now down in the hole there, you see a little brass thing sticking out?
Yep.
That's the emulsion tube. Then we're going to put the float back in But we need to put the needle in the float first, right? I just realized I put this on upside down. Oops. Mistakes happen.
Yep.
What do we do when we make a mistake?
You fix it.
You got it. There we go. That's better. So now that'll go there. And then this will go here. That's better. Want to try? Good. Now the bowl goes on. And it fits now because it's the right way.
Yeah, it's not upside down anymore.
All right. And then this guy here snugs up here. What do you think that little rubber thing's there for?
To keep it safe so it doesn't move.
Yeah, and it, you know what it does? It keeps the fuel from sneaking out past the screw. Can you pass me the 10mm wrench?
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
What are you building, though?
What am I building?
Yeah.
This is called a carb.
Carb.
Here, you know what? I'm going to grab a different screwdriver. Can you pass me that orange screwdriver over there?
This one?
That one, yep. Thank you, sir. And that is a rebuilt carb.
So, where do you put
you know
this
what
carb?
I forgot?
Is this like, is it, like, where do you put it?
On the side of the motor. Pass me the impact and we'll just snug this up real quick.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So hold it here tightly. Okay, pull it. Oh, go ahead. I wasn't ready. Good. That's it. All done.
Wait, so you're telling me you bought that and then fixed it?
Yeah, we bought that. This is off the broken motor, but it was all full of dirt and stuff. And we fixed it now, cleaned it all up, and now hopefully when we put gas in it, it's going to run.
Hopefully.
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 We'll see.
Fingers crossed.
We're going to slide this onto there. Do you think you can do that?
Oh, yeah, sure.
See the holes? How it lines up with these?
Yep. That goes
You'll get it.
there.
Amazing. Yeah. Don't go all the way in, though, because we have to hook up this stuff here. So this guy has to go in there. So as we wiggle this on, this goes in there. Like that.
Uh-huh.
And then this little guy, do you know what this one's job is?
I think I know.
Tell me.
Move your hand. Right there.
No, right here.
Aww. I'm tired.
Well, it's almost time for bed.
What? Wait, what?
All right. So that's on there, like that. That's good. And then do me a favor.
Yeah.
See that thing there with all the springs on it? Can you pass that to me?
Yep.
So that is going to go up here, and this one goes onto there, like that. So now we're going to need 2 bolts. See this? Yep.
I think those two.
Perfect. So I'll do the first one so I can show you what happens. So you just do like this, just to start it a little bit. Can you do that one?
Which one?
No, this one here.
This. Wait, what?
Right there.
Oh.
I think you got it. Keep going. You got it. You didn't need a hand. Amazing. That's it.
Okay.
So now grab the impact.
This.
Yep.
Yeah, I got it right.
It's heavy, so I'll help you a little bit here. Okay, cool. That's it. Beautiful. Amazing. And let's do that one too.
Okay, let go.
Hold on. Just make sure it's all the way on there. It's not quite on the... There you go. Got it. Amazing. That's it. All right. You okay?
Yep.
All right, we'll spin this around. We got to get this little guy here.
Ooh.
There you go. Perfect. When I bought this, this had no muffler. It had been sitting in a garage for years.
Wow.
This guy's said his grandpa's farm
Yeah.
was being sold to the government, and he was helping him clean it out. And then this guy goes on like this.
Oh, wait, I think I know.
But you know, we need one thing before we put it on. There's a little plastic lever we need to put here for the choke.
This.
Yes, sir. So watch this. So see this one here? That goes on there, and then this little metal stick goes in that little crack there. like that. So when you do this, see it moves the...
Oh, yeah.
And then,
Like it's an actual lever.
yeah, to
like
make
in
it easy,
Minecraft,
you kind of
so
put them, just like Minecraft. You put them kind of both in the middle, and then this goes on with
this way.
Yeah, and you gotta line these two things up here. So they gotta line up there, and then maybe I'll push these a little further. Hold on. See if I move that there and there. How's that?
There we go.
Well, you got it. Good. Amazing. And now we need two nuts that go right here and here. The little tiny ones. Yep. I'll put those on. The other way around.
This way?
See the one side's flat? Yeah.
There you go.
You're doing so good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Perfect. We can use the impact to hit the rest.
Sure.
That's good. And now you can use the impact if you want.
I do this one first.
Sure. That's it. Another one. Amazing. All right, we got a better angle now. So they left fuel in here for years. So if you look, can you smell
it's
it?
old.
See inside there?
Yeah.
So it's all full of, it's like varnish and oil and sludge.
Like how old oil? Like old oil.
Old oil. So I don't think we should use this. Put a new one on or something?
Yeah.
Do you have
a new
one?
You do.
I do?
Yeah.
I do. Want to see?
Mhm.
How's that?
It isn't bent.
No, that's how it works. That's how it goes.
Oh.
So that is going to go like this.
That's gonna look brand new.
It will look brand new, won't it? It's going to sit like that. How's that? Is that good for you?
Yep.
That's good for me.
Okay.
All right, mister.
Uh-huh.
You ready to start this thing?
Yep.
So we fixed the valves.
Yes.
We rebuilt the carb.
Yep.
Fuel's flowing.
Yep.
Is it going to start?
I think so.
All right. Turn the switch on.
There you go.
Tell me when.
Go.
You just helped me fix your first engine, mister.
Uh-huh.
So now we have a good working engine.
Yep.
Next episode, let's rebuild the compressor and see if it makes air.
Okay.
All right?
All right. Bye, guys. We finally got it running. We finally got it running.
You know, this is all on video now.
I know. I don't care.
Oh, nice.